Make the very best of London your own today. Introducing Lewisham Exchange Student Accommodation, a chic abode boasting the finest of amenities at the most affordable prices. Nestled in Loampit Vale, this stunning home offers a range of fully furnished studios and ensuite apartments with breathtaking views of the city's skyline. Come home to a plush bed, a personal study area, and a spacious wardrobe to store all your essentials. What's more, kick back and relax in the lounge area or head to the yoga room to loosen up your muscles. For a more intense workout, the on-site gym is at your disposal. Plus, have an easy-peasy stay with the grab-and-go breakfast, free-to-use bikes, and regular housekeeping. And when it's time to unleash your academic side, Lewisham Southwark College and University of Greenwich are both just a short ride away. Being a stone's throw away from central London, you're super close to all action, quite literally. On weekends, go bar hopping and explore the finest of London's restaurants. You could also hop on a bus or catch a train to explore the grandeur of London life. So does it seem like the perfect place to be? If yes, head straight to amberstudent.com to book your ideal stay at Lewisham Exchange today.